If there's one thing that haunts my comment section more than the eternal Canon or Sony debate, it's the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. I swear, if Canon announced a toaster tomorrow, someone would still be in the comments asking, yeah, but when's the R7 Mark II coming? And honestly, I get it. The original R7 is 4 years old. In camera years, that's practically the Stone Age. But if you've been holding your breath for the sequel, I have some news and some advice that might change your plans. For a while, the rumors were pointing to a Q4 2026 release. But the latest intelligence from supply chain sources and industry insiders confirms that Canon has pumped the brakes. The new target? Early 2027, ahead of the CP Plus show in February. Why the delay? It comes down to two major factors. Strategic prioritization. Canon is currently obsessed with their next generation of full-frame bodies. From a business perspective, those higher-margin cameras are the priority. The APS-C reset. Rather than dropping a single camera, rumors suggest Canon is planning a broader, systematic refresh of their entire APS-C lineup for 2027, including a new video-first V-series model. They aren't just updating a camera, they're resetting the ecosystem. Canon is playing a smart game here. They've invested millions into their new 32.5 megapixel sensor, and they're putting it into everything. The R6 Mark III, the R6V, the C50. It's like buying a massive jar of peanut butter at Costco. You're not just going to make one sandwich. You're going to put on everything. By scaling production this way, they're lowering manufacturing costs, which is great for their bottom line and potentially good for our wallets down the line. Here is the hard truth. The R7 didn't stop being a great camera just because a rumor got delayed. If you're a wildlife or sports photographer, the R7 remains one of the best reach machines on the market. That hawk on the fence post? He's not going to pose better for a camera that doesn't exist yet. The best tool for your photography is the one that is currently in your bag, ready to capture the moment. If you're a professional who needs a specific spec, like a stacked sensor for erratic wildlife, waiting until 2027 might be worth it. If you're an enthusiast looking to create, don't let the gear acquisition syndrome stop you from getting out there today. So, when our R7 Mark II finally drops in 2027, what is the one feature that would make you upgrade? Are we talking a full stack sensor, better low-light performance, or are you perfectly happy with the R7 you've already got? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And if you're looking to level up your own portfolio while we wait for new gear, check out my 2026 print collection and Lightroom presets over at jeff-grushayon.com. Until next time, stop chasing rumors and go shoot something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.